And you can see both of us. And I'm going to end track. I'm going to fly it over this way. I'm going to click on you. And
should I stand further from you?
No, you're fine. It's good. I'm going to end. I want to do motion track. I want to do an orbit around you. I want to do the range as far out as possible. Alright. You don't have a pocket, do you?
I do.
Okay. So, I'm going to bring that a little closer.
That's why I have stolen these pants.
Really? Interesting. It's questionable, okay. Alright. Okay, let's see who thinks it's on. It's on you. Do you want? You should lead.
Okay.
Because that way
Step up.
you're going up that, and then at that post you're turning right. We're going up that way.
Okay.
And you'll be good. And you can turn it to boost or trail, whatever you want to do. And right, it's going to be a tight turn. Take your time. You're good. Just go for it. Take your time around the corner. Some of them are a little loose. wanted to get away from you so that it realized it wasn't following the right subject. Because your GPS location, because of the beacon, was different from where I was. It's now orbiting where it thinks you are. It happens to be wrong. Can I have the thing out of your pocket? Okay, so the next...
That's a nice walk.
Yeah. The next thing that might suck for you is this climb.
Up?
No. That. It's switchbacks. So I'm going to highly recommend go to trail, because if you get a little loopy in any of the corners, it'll be bad.
Trail is the middle mode?
Yeah. I'm going to have it follow me on not an orbit. I'm going to go fixed track of me, and I'm going to rotate you. Really? Come on, buddy. You're good. Like that, with a massive range. So we're gonna go down a tiny bit, and then we're gonna go up. And if at any point I get too far away, just yell. But
Yeah, in a minute.
okay, it's not a difficult climb. It's difficult, but it's fine. Your e-bike. You can keep it in boots, but I don't recommend it. Are you okay now? So it's going to be a bunch of stuff like this. Are you okay? Doesn't sound okay.
Not bad.
Okay, that's good. So, bottom side of that button that's on the left, if you push it, the bike will push itself forward. Be careful with it though. At some point, it'll speed itself up. This climb might be miserable for you.
Yeah, I just ate it in that corner.
Oh, bad?
Came too fast and it went whoop.
You don't look dusty at all, so.
I hit 3.
I'm gonna move up a little bit just so that you have some space. Lean back and just pedal. It flattens out in a little bit. I'm coming back. don't know what you're doing, man. Yeah, I'm thinking. You should be fine there. I'll get out of the way here. How many do you got?
Oh, that's that through.
Thank you. Just the two of us.
Okay. Going in. Oh.
Zoe, you can go ahead of me. Be in a low gear. And just pedal on the outside. Make the corner as large as possible. Can I be an asshole? Buddy. You're fine. Zoe, go a little further. I'm one-handed and good. I'm gonna land. If I can see it.
Flat for a second. I'm going to sequel up and then flat for another.
Are you guys gonna be here for a moment?